CSR America has come a long way since 1988. We've grown from a business with sales of $40 million to one which, in the year ending March 1995, had sales of over $1 billion. In the United States, we are now the fourth largest aggregate producer, the largest ready-mix concrete producer, the largest concrete pipe producer, the largest concrete block producer. We have over 6,000 employees. We've grown from a business with fewer than 10 plants in 1988 to one with over 220 locations in 26 states in 1995. CSR America has developed from a business with just a few products to one with a constantly and rapidly growing product range. And it continuously broadens the range of services to its customers. Much of this expansion has been achieved through acquisitions, and the growth is continuing. CSR America is looking to improve everything it does. One of the improvement efforts begun by the CSR America quality team is Project Rocket. Let's hear from some of the folks involved in the project.
We have a vision of becoming a world-class company, but we fall short in a number of areas. When we look at where we fall short, we find that many times it's our processes and systems that are the causes. This project follows on from a project called Plan IT that we completed last year. We spoke with over 200 people from around the company to find out what they'd like to see in the way we do business. We also looked at what other world-class companies are doing in this area. To summarise what we heard that we should be looking for commonality across the company wherever possible. That means that our concrete business in Everett, Washington should be no different from our concrete business in Dade County, Florida. Our computer systems should look the same whether they're a payable system or an inventory system. We should be using proven modern computer technology. This project is looking to take these opportunities and act upon them. Is this a technology project? Sure, technology will be part of the solution, but more importantly, it involves us in thinking about how we do business, which means answering, should we still produce a piece of paperwork? Should we require another approval on an invoice when the order's already been approved? Should we be sharing information more readily? Technology can help us with these questions, but it won't provide all of the answers. This project provides us an opportunity to take a completely fresh look at the way we do business, to redefine the business the way we'd like to see it. It'll take a significant effort. It'll cover many parts of CSR America. All of the CSR America companies are involved, and most of our processes are being considered. From providing a quote to a customer to receiving their payment, from discovering that we need to order a part to making payment to our supplier. And we have many people involved. There's already over 20 people working full-time on this project in Atlanta.
The Project Rocket team has brought together people with strong skills and experience from across the business to look at core processes of the business. Sales and marketing, quote through cash, and to look at selected support processes, purchase order through payment, maintenance, planning, budgeting, and reporting. Project Rocket is helping to redefine the way we do business. The project team has identified many opportunities for improvement.
We need to eliminate the redundancies and just get one-time data entry and intercompanies and external and get all that stuff flowing. It'll be so much easier for everybody. We're going to give them the tools to do this. There'll be more training naturally, but the tools will be there for them to teach themselves.
Yeah, it'll be really nice to be able to see, to just eliminate some of this kind of activity that does nothing but frustrate people, cause a lot of heartache, and be able to refocus them into areas that serve our customers.
And all the marketing reports that I do, you don't have to sit there and run 5 reports, take data from one report, put in a second report, take it out of the second report, put in a third report, and then put in the Lotus worksheet to get it done and spend 4 days doing something that should be readily available just right off the computer.
It's one of our biggest downfalls right now is not having any historical data or knowing how each report is so different between not only divisions but also subsidiaries. We have no historical data. If we bring it all under one blanket, we'll know exactly what each person is doing and be able to record that information on an ongoing basis.
I think we've got our work cut out for us. Mainly, for one, we're going to have to do a lot of training and a lot of educating of not just our employees, but of our customers and our suppliers.
Looking forward, we can see a better way of doing business.
What we're doing good we'll only do better and be able to better predict the value of our equipment, the production that we can get out of it, the team concept of where we can get everybody working towards one common goal rather than everybody working on their own separate little entity.
Anytime that I spend not problem solving is time I can spend selling.
Imagine, wouldn't it be nice as a customer to be able to call in and say, I want my aggregate on Monday, I want my concrete on Tuesday, I want my block on Wednesday, and I want my pipe on Thursday, and have one person take all the orders and pass it right through the entire system. Imagine, talk about customer service.
I think everybody will find their jobs to be a little different in the way they look at them today.
I think that's true. I think for example, for a lot of our accounting personnel, they're going to find that the transaction processing will take care of itself.
Right.
And they'll have time freed up to do to look at how the business actually operates and contribute in that way.
Right.
Actually support their managers by providing some meaningful analysis instead of just piles of numbers.
It's an opportunity not only from an internal point of view, but from a customer point of view.
We came up with a pretty strong vision, and we had a great team to work with.
What's really exciting about the project overall is that we've taken all of the pieces from all of the places that we found problems, and we've tried to fit them together somehow and bring enough people into the project and then send enough information out and bring it back in again to really validate what it is that we're working on.
And I think the commitment is real evident from the top down. Certainly the quality team has committed the resources to move forward on this project. The individual subsidiary presidents have committed. There's a tremendous amount of enthusiasm by all of the team people towards making this project a huge success.
The scope of the project touches everybody in the company, and strong management commitment is a key element to project success.
We've already made some good progress towards improving the business and becoming world-class. We've grown the business significantly since 1988. Our sales now exceed $1 billion. We've introduced many new products and services. In the M96, we will derive $270 million in revenues from products new to CSR America in the last 2 years. We've become more focused on our customers, which includes, of course, our shareholders. Our building and quality effort is showing us the way. But to become world-class, we need to continually look to improve. We must take the lead in initiating this improvement. This project is a significant way to build improvements into the business. It provides us with opportunities to add many positive things into our standard way of doing business. It can improve our focus on the customer. For example, we should be able to answer a customer's questions and concerns quickly, no matter who they call or where they call. It can make us more flexible so we can respond to the changing world around us. To me, this means we should be equipped to handle the sort of growth that we've been achieving and are looking to achieve in the years ahead. It can make us more effective at our jobs. We need to have the necessary information for decisions readily available to the right people at the right time. It will provide us with key business measurements as one of the tools to generate improvements. We need to benchmark these measures as a normal part of the way we do business. It can make the administration of our business more effective, to eliminate or consolidate paper whilst decentralising authority. I encourage all of you to offer any thoughts or suggestions through either the Building on Ideas suggestion system, your business's own team members on this project, or by making direct contact with the project office in Atlanta. This is indeed our opportunity to redefine the way we do business through information technology. We should seize it.
CSR America people are helping create our future by redefining what is possible. People, process, technology.
You know, the opportunity to do something like that doesn't come along very often.
It's totally thinking outside the box.
It'll be an opportunity for me to get to see the fruits of all the labor.
We're doing this absolutely the right way.
We are empowering our people.
And gives us a totally new view and a totally new perspective.
And continually challenging ourselves as to why.
I really see this project taking us to being truly world-class.
Yes.